Hi, welcome again to my channel. My name is LandDeyNaija. Today I'm going to be talking you through the step-by-step process for acquiring a home under the Renewed Hope project, the rent-to-own scheme that affords you the opportunity to access mortgage for a long period of time, up to 25 years, of course, depending on your age. I'm also going to be running you through a checklist for what you'll be needing before you can access this package, and also the eligibility criteria to just sort of help you make better decisions even as you decide to own a home here. So all the inquiries that have come in, thank you very much to all the clients who we have helped to secure homes under this package, under this scheme. Congratulations to you. Now, I know that this video is long overdue, and that's because last month we were asked to halt marketing and sales of homes in this scheme because the prices were being reviewed. Now, after consultation with the Federal Mortgage Bank of Nigeria and the developers, a new price is now available, effective immediately. So that is why I decided to put this video together, just to bring you up to speed, with what has been happening so far. Now, let's remember that the Renewed Hope project is a partnership between the Federal Government of Nigeria, the Federal Ministry of Housing and Urban Development, the Lagos State Government, the Federal Mortgage Bank of Nigeria, and the developers, Lekki Properties. Now, this project, the Renewed Hope scheme, is located in the Lekki coastal city, Lekki, and is a housing development comprises of apartments and terraces and semi-detached duplexes, all in a bid to provide Nigerians an opportunity to own homes and also give Nigerians an opportunity to access mortgage over an extended period of time. If you have been in the market for a home and you have been looking for very flexible options, this mortgage rent-to-own scheme is your opportunity. Aside from the fact that it affords you an extended payment plan, you also get to move into your home, start living in your home, and pay your balance. That is why it's a rent-to-own scheme. So it's not a situation where you wait for your payment to be completed before you move in. No, you can actually move in upon completion of these homes when your key is handed over to you, and you can continue making payments for your home right there in the comfort of your house. That's very fantastic, and it's a project that has been well thought of, very, very well designed to ensure a very comfortable and active living experience for the end user. So let's talk quickly about the price. The new price: 2-bedroom apartment is now 40 million, 3-bedroom apartment is now 58 million, 4-bedroom terrace duplex is now 120 million, and a 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex with a BQ is now 140 million. Do I take that again? 2-bedroom apartment is now 40 million. 3-bedroom apartment is now 58 million. 4-bedroom terrace duplex with a BQ is now 120 million. And 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex with a BQ also is now 140 million naira. Let's talk about the step-by-step guide as to how you can become one of the owners of a fantastic home in the Renewed Hope project. You must be an active contributor to the NHF and must have made a minimum contribution of about 30,000 naira or above in 6 months. In a situation where you don't have an account with the NHF, an account will be opened with a sum of 180,000, which will be used to backdate your account for 6 months. After which, an offer letter is issued and the first 10% is made within 7 days of this offer letter. The next 10% is made within the next 60 days into the transaction, which makes it 20% deposit. The rent-to-own form will also be filled so that the Federal Mortgage Bank can process and disburse the said loan to you. When this loan has been disbursed, the client will be informed on that. So when you have fulfilled 1 to 4, I have mentioned earlier, you get allocated and your keys will be handed over to you within 12 months of the completion of your house. Then you can move in and you commence paying your loan at 7% annual interest rate. Is that fantastic or what? Amazing. Please note that to be eligible for this scheme, you must be an employee within an organization Or if you're a business owner, then your business must be registered in Nigeria with the Corporate Affairs Commission. In addition to this, we will need field application form, NHF biodata, 2 passport photographs, staff ID, valid means of identification, BVN validation printouts, birth certificates, or declaration of age, as the payment tenure is dependent on your current age, employment letter and confirmation letter by your employer, 6 months bank statement, NHF updated form, taxpayer card, offer of sale letter and sales agreement, 3 months pay slips preceding application, letter of consent and undertaking by your employer to deduct and remit rental payments from beneficiaries' salary and allowances to the Federal Mortgage Bank account. We also need a bank standing order, 2 guarantors with 3 months pay slips or statement of account, 1 passport photograph, and valid means of identification. Please note that by virtue of this mortgage scheme, subscribers to the National Housing Fund can access up to a loan amount of 50 million naira, provided that you have, made a monthly payment of 30,000 naira, and these payments have been made 6 months prior to your application. It is important to say that this checklist I have listed above has to be relevant to Nigeria. So if you're abroad and you're wondering if you can be a part of this, yes, you sure can. Rest assured in the fact that we have helped up to 5 clients so far get homes, and we did this before the price increase. So if you're just coming in now, you'll be buying at the new price. We are here to ensure that we help you through the process. We also have our lawyers in place to help you with your tax ID, your tax verification, your bank statements, and every other thing you would need as part of the documents and requirements for this scheme. The reason why I upload this scheme is the fact that it just, it's like a relief to the housing deficit we have here. It's like a contribution to ensuring that a lot of Nigerians have access to homes, a lot of Nigerians who cannot afford to pay on outright, or who cannot afford to pay within 12 months, for off plans, or even 24 months, and are really looking for opportunities to own a home, but with a more flexible and extended payment plan. This is just your perfect fit, your perfect opportunity. And it's also important that you come in early. The kinds that we have helped secure homes here bought theirs before the price increase. Now that this price has increased, it's the best time to come in now, because there would be another halt when the cost of construction gets higher again. There may be a need to pause sales again, review the price upwards, as the projects will be delivered in phases. So there you have it. I have covered all the information that I think that you need to make an informed decision. But if you have any questions and you think I have not answered your question in this video, please reach out to me. We have 3D available. We have the drawings available. We also have whatever information you will need available to just, facilitate this process for you. And if you're also saying that you're interested in this scheme, like you're interested in owning the property within the coastal scheme, but you don't want to take advantage of the mortgage plan, we also have Alexander Court, which is like a sister development to the Renewed Hope project, in just about 2 minutes away from where the Renewed project is located. Under the Alexander Court, you can buy on outright, or you can buy in installments within 2 years. So that is also available. All you need to do is hit me up on the number you can see on your screen, and we'll be able to walk you through the process. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave this video. Subscribe and turn on your post notification so you're aware when I make a new post and when I show up on your screen again. Thank you for watching. It was a pleasure bringing you this information, and I hope to see you in my next video. LandDeyNaija here from LandDeyNaija. Bye. Thank you.